Destructive hail up to tennis ball size. Destructive winds in excess of 70 miles per hour. Locations impacted include Ardmore, Sulphur, Lone Grove, Davis, Dixon, Mansville, Springer, Rabia, Mill Creek, Dory, G. Notby, Hickory, Lake of the Obstacles, Turner Falls, Scullin and Drusset. Large damaging hail is likely. Take shelter now in a sturdy building and stay away from windows.